In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back with video number 15. This is science class. Today we will do multiple choice questions, MCQs of all chapters. We have studied 5 chapters, but we didn't do MCQs, multiple choice questions. Today we will do multiple choice questions, and this is the part of your syllabus. The MCQs included in your syllabus. So students, keep in your mind, learn it. Okay, start. Number 1. First, I will read and then I will, one by one, I will read and explain. Okay. So students, listen to me carefully and look at your screen. Number 1. We can walk. We can walk with over. Now what will come here? I will give you 3 options. Then you have to choose right answer. Okay. We can walk with over. Now guess it, what will come here? We can walk with over. Hands, legs, arms. What will come here? Now you can see here 3 options: legs, arms, hands. Now how we can walk? We can walk with over. What will come here? Legs. This is the right answer. Legs. Okay. So circle this option. Circle it. Like A, you have to circle like this. Okay, students? How you will do this question? You have to first read this sentence and then circle right answer. Like this. This is the legs. What is this? Legs. Then you have to circle like this. A. There are 3 parts, A, B, and C. Then you have to circle A. Okay? We can walk with our legs. Number 2. We can see with our. Now you can see this screen. How? We can see with our ear, A part ear, B eyes, and C teeth. We can see with our eyes. This is the right answer. We can see with our eyes. Okay. Now number 3. We can smell with our. We can smell with our. What will come here? Nose, ear, mouth. So how you can smell? How you can smell flower? With the help of ear or mouth or nose? With the nose. With the nose. Okay. Nose is a sense organ of smell. So we can smell with our nose. Okay, students. Now number 3. We can hear with our. How you can hear me? My sound. How you can hear? With your nose, ear, or mouth. We can hear with our ear. Okay, ear. Hearing is also a sense. And how? What is the sense organ of hearing? Ear. So we can hear with our ear. This is the organ of, this organ is using for hearing. Okay. Now number 5. We can write with over. Okay, students, tell me how you can write. How you can write? With your arms or with your hands? How you can hold the pencil? We can write with our hands, legs, arms. What will come here? Hands. We can write with our hands. Okay. How many hands do you have? 2 hands. 2 hands. Okay. Now number 6. All living things need. All living things need. All living things need. All living things mean plants and animals. Need what? Money, food, home. So I told you before, plants and animals are living things. So plants need money? No. Plants need home? Yes. Plants need food? Yes. Plants need home? No. So all living things mean animals and plants need food. Okay, students? Because we can survive without money, without home, like plants and animals, but cannot live without food. So food is a basic need of all living things. Number 7, we cannot live without water, home, money. What will come here? We cannot live without water. Water. Okay? If we don't have home or money for 1, 2, 3 days, we can survive, but we cannot live without water. Number 8, all living things need dash to breathe. What will come here? What will come here? How we can breathe? With water, with air, or food? All living things need air to breathe. When we inhale and exhale, so what we need? We need air. All living things need air. Students, can you see air? No, we cannot see. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Okay? So all living things need air to breathe. Understand? Now number 9. A baby dash grows up to be a woman. What will come here? A baby. What will come here? A baby girl grows up to be a woman. A baby boy grows up to be a woman. A baby man grows up to be a woman. Now woman is a female and boy and man male. So what will come here? Girl, because girl is a male and a baby girl grows up to be a woman. Okay. Now number 10. A baby dash grows up to be a man. Man. What will come here? Man is a male or female? Male. So for male, what will come here? Girl, boy, woman. So right answer is boy. A baby boy. A baby boy grows up to be a man. Now number 11. I can dash stars. Now what will come here? I can dash stars. I can see, I can touch, I can feel. What you can? You can touch the stars? No. You can feel the stars? No. So I can see stars. Okay? I can see stars. Here will come see. Now number 12. I can dash the teacher speaking. Now I am speaking. What you can do? See? Can you see me now? Hear or watch? What will come here? Only you can listen. Only you can listen. So what will come here? I can hear the teacher speaking. Here will come here. Okay, I can hear the teacher speaking. Number 13. I dash hot. What will come here? feel, touch, see. Can you see hot? Can you touch? I feel hot. Here will come feel. I feel hot. First, when you touch the hot water, then you can feel it is hot or cold. Okay, so I feel hot. Or if you are sitting in a room and that room is hot, mean there is no fan, no AC, then what you can do? You can feel hot. So what will come here? I feel hot. Now number 14. We have the senses. How many senses do you have? 3, 4, 5. What will come here? 5. We have 5 senses. Which senses? Do you know? Sight, smell, taste, hearing, and feel. Okay, how many senses do you have? 5 senses. Number 15. We can dash the sound. What will come here? We can hear the sound, we can touch the sound, we can feel the sound. What will come here? We can hear the sound. Okay, so here will come here. We can hear the sound. Number 16. Wild animals live in. Wild animals live in home, jungle, or city. Wild animals live in jungle. Okay, wild animals live in jungle. Here will come jungle. Now number 17. Tame animals live with. Live with us, live with fish, live with wild animals. What will come here? Tame animals live with us. Okay. Tame animals live with us. Here will come us. Now number 18. Lion eats what? Grass, meat, vegetables. Do you know about lion? Lion eats, what will come here? Meat. Lion eats meat. Number 19. Cow eats what? Have you seen cow? Cow eats what? Grass, meat, bread. Anyone have seen? Cow eats grass. Cow eats grass. Here will come grass. Now number 20. Animals need safe place too. Animal need safe place too. What will come here? Eat, sleep, or live. What will come here? Live. Animals need safe place to live. Here will come live. Okay, students, listen again these 5. We can dash the sound. We can hear the sound. Wild animals live in. Wild animals live in jungle. Live in jungle. Number 17. Tame animals live with. What will come here? Us. Live with us. Number 18. Lion eats grass, meat, vegetables. What will come here? Meat. Lion eats meat. Number 19. Cow eats what? Cow eats grass. Cow eats grass. Here will come grass. Number 20. Animals need safe place too. Animals need safe place to live. Okay, students, these are the multiple choice questions, mean MCQs. So you have to write these 20 MCQs in your notebook. Keep safe these MCQs with you, okay? This is the part of your syllabus. And when you will write in your notebook, then first write statement and then write three options A, B, C. Then you have to circle the right answer. Circle the right answer. Like look at number 20. Animals need safe place too. So what will come here? Live. And how you have to solve? You have to do like this. Circle the C like this. Circle the C. Okay, students? Do it carefully and also learn these MCQs. Okay, students, enjoy your Eid vacations and enjoy your Eid. Allah Hafiz.